In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out in Webflow. Have you ever found yourself accidentally zooming in while working on a project in Webflow and struggled to find a quick fix? You're certainly not alone. Learning how to effectively manage the zoom settings is crucial for efficiently navigating your work. Let's dive into this quick and easy guide to help you regain control of your workspace. First off, it's important to note that Webflow itself does not have a built-in feature for zooming in and out. So, if you found yourself zoomed in and the interface seems a bit too close for comfort, we need to use browser controls instead. Now, keeping this in mind, open up your project in the Webflow Designer, where you do most of your editing and design work. This area is your canvas, and it's crucial to see it as efficiently as possible to work on your designs. To zoom out, you'll use a simple shortcut. All you need to do is press the Control key on your keyboard along with the minus key or dash key. If you're using a Mac, use the Command key instead of Control. This action will zoom out your entire browser window. Remember, this is a browser function and not something specific to Webflow. Therefore, it's good practice to familiarize yourself with such shortcuts as they provide quick adjustments when you accidentally zoom in too much. One key detail to keep in mind is that this zoom adjustment affects the entire browser, not just the Webflow canvas. So, while you might initially be concerned about the changes happening to your design, rest assured that this won't alter the actual scale of your design elements. Your designs will remain precisely as you crafted them, and this adjustment is purely for your viewing comfort. This is particularly useful when you're working on a layout and need to have a comprehensive view of the project without distractions. Having the ability to zoom in and out efficiently can make a significant difference in how you navigate and perceive your workspace, leading to a more streamlined and pleasant design experience. This simple command of Control- or Command- on a Mac is a valuable shortcut for your toolkit. We hope this guide helps you handle those unexpected zoom changes with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Webflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Webflow seamlessly.